You can expect a lot from the 2019 Ram 2500. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. This model accommodates 6 passengers comfortably and provides features such as one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, turn signal indicator mirrors, a bedliner, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.